Hello, Thunderbirds. Today we're going to talk about integers and absolute value. And we talked about this a little bit last spring. It's kind of where we were at when everything quit. So hopefully this review will help you. So integers, remember, is a fancy word for positive and negative numbers. And absolute value means how much is that worth? And absolute value is really just the distance from zero. So the absolute value of -3 is 3 hops away from zero. The absolute value of +3 is also 3 away from zero, so it's also 3. So it's pretty easy to figure out absolute value, even though it looks weird. And here's how it looks. The symbol is like two straight lines going up and down. And I kind of think of it as a car wash where you pull in, and if you pulled in with a clean car, it would come out clean. If you pulled in with a dirty car, it would come out clean. So you can also think of it that way, that the numbers get rid of their negative signs, they clean up. But it's still 3 away from zero, but on a paper you might see this writing with the two lines. All right. What's the absolute value of -5? Well, it's 5 away from zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps till you get to zero. What's the absolute value of +5? Well, it's also 5 because it's 5 away from zero. Absolute value is always positive. And here's a little summary chart for you. Absolute value is the distance from zero. It's always positive. It looks like this over here, this blue writing, absolute value of -3 equals 3. 3 equals negative. The absolute value of 3 equals 3. Same thing. And I kept the number line on here for you. Sometimes you get word problems, so I decided to pick a picture of me scuba diving, which is never going to happen, people. But, not a water girl. But if I did, I would not swim very deep. So if I swim at a sea level of -12, that means 12 feet below zero, the sea level is zero. How would I write that if I was trying to figure out the absolute value of it? And the absolute value of -12 would just be +12. So now I have a number I can work with. So it's 12 feet below zero. That's equal to 12 steps. And if I had to add that number, I could now add two numbers together. Like if I wanted to say -12 to +5, I have 12 up to zero because it's the absolute value of -12 plus 5, 17. So I hope this makes sense. I hope it's quick and easy, and good luck.